Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asta if you are watching me for the first time. So it's been a typical day for me. I've been shooting videos for my YouTube channel, some content for the Instagram, and it's evening now. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening. It's been a long day. I'm really exhausted. So I thought I will take off my makeup, get into my PJs, call it a day, and also I will take you guys along my nighttime skincare / evening skincare routine. And I'm glad to tell you that this video is sponsored by ESTEE Lauder, and I'm going to use their amazing products to cleanse my skin and do the nighttime skincare routine. So I will take you through the process. Let's get into the PJs and let's get this rolling. Welcome to my bathroom. So I will first dye my hair and take off all my jewelry. So the first step is using a cleanser. So this is a cleansing balm I have. No fragrance whatsoever. So what I will do is I will run my fingers like this, swirl it, and with the heat of your fingers it starts. Let's see if this works on my eye makeup and my red lips. So my skin feels so clean and fresh right now. So after cleansing, the second step is to stabilize your skin because you have taken away some moisture from your skin. So for that, I'm going to use ESTEE Lauder's Micro Essence Skin Activating Treatment Lotion. What this will do is it will tone your skin, give back that moisture into your skin, and it will give you that glow in your skin, which is good. So there are two ways you can apply this. You can apply this using a cotton pad, like saturate a cotton pad. And my preferred way is using my hands, my fingers. So that's what I'm going to do. So after cleanse and stabilize, the third step is repair, and for that I'm going to use star of this nighttime ritual. It's ESTEE Lauder's Advanced Night Serum. Love this product, I swear by this product. So what I'm going to do is take 5 drops on each of my fingertips, like so. The texture is so light and it gets absorbed into your skin like that. Doesn't feel tacky, doesn't feel oily. It just radiates your skin, hydrates it from within, and I love it. I really love this product. After ANR, that is Advanced Night Repair Serum, I will lock in all the moisture using this Revitalizing Supreme Plus. So I will take a dollop of it, warm it up. So last but not the least, something for our under eyes, because as you know, under eye area is very sensitive and there should be a special product, and it's this ESTEE Lauder's Advanced Night Eye Supercharge Complex. It's a gel-like consistency, and all you have to do is take a little bit, just about that. And you can use your ring finger because it applies the least amount of pressure. So that is all for my nighttime skincare routine. Now I'm going to enjoy my cup of tea, unwind and relax, and yeah, good night, bye bye.